Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Kodi on Firestick home screen. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to add Kodi to Firestick home screen when the icon is unavailable. This method is used not only for Kodi, but it can be used for third-party installed apps on your device. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, FireTV, Firestick Lite and FireTV Cube. Before we start the video, let's start with the brief introduction of Firestick. So with the latest version of Fire OS, Amazon released a feature in which a newly installed app side-loaded automatically appear at the end of the app list. Most people are aware of it, but still many people out there don't know about this, and that's why I'm asking on the internet about why my Kodi icon disappeared from home screen. So let's start video and add Kodi to Firestick home screen. So what you have to do, you need to hold the remote home button for 3 seconds. And here you will get 4 options, so you have to click on apps. This will show the list of all installed applications on your device. Now scroll down at the bottom and hover to Kodi or whatever app you want to show on home screen. Once you highlight the icon of Kodi or another app, now from remote press menu button and the menu will appear on the right side below. From that menu you just need to click on the move to the front and this will move the icon to home screen. That's it. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here you can see Firestick showing Kodi icon front of all apps. So you can use this method to add Kodi on your home screen, and I hope this video was really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.